Is it really possible to start with just 10 push-ups and then go all the way up to doing 100 push-ups in a row? And if yes, then how? Many of us face this problem. After just a few push-ups, our arms start shaking, breathing gets heavy, and our chest muscles can't handle it anymore. But the real truth is, this isn't any weakness of the body. It's just a lack of proper training. So how do we reach 100 push-ups? I'll show you how you can progress from 10 push-ups to 100 push-ups. For that, you'll need to complete each level step by step. Let's get started. Level 1. On the first day, do 10 to 15 push-ups in one go. Complete 3 sets. Set 1, 15 push-ups. Set 2, 12 push-ups. Set 3, 10 to 12 push-ups. Now do 15 to 20 push-ups in one go. Level 2. Again, complete 3 sets. Set 1, 20 push-ups. Set 2, 15 push-ups. Set 3, 10 to 12 push-ups. Level 3. Set 1, 25 push-ups. Set 2, 20 push-ups. Set 3, 15 push-ups. Level 4. Set 1, 30 push-ups. Set 2, 25 push-ups. Set 3, 20 push-ups. If you can make it this far, congratulations! You'll be able to finish level 5 quite easily. Level 5. Set 1, 35 push-ups. Set 2, 30 push-ups. Set 3, 20 push-ups. Set 4, 15 push-ups. So now you know going from 10 push-ups to 100 push-ups isn't impossible at all. It just takes patience, consistency, and the right training plan. Now it's your turn. Drop down, start your first set, and begin the journey from 10 to 100.